We're dealing with language, we're dealing with computational linguistics, and then we're dealing with big corporations. But beyond these doors, it's extremely uncivilized. There's certain aspect of their characteristics that is ingrained deep within our own psyche.
Right, and then that's going to trigger memories from a past event.
And which postulates that all matter on a universal primitive.
I had no knowledge of music, so here I am speaking on the physics of sound. What is sound? Right? And this works with the melatonin, which induces sleep when the sun sets below the horizon. This has to do with
trying to construct a narrative in a universe that's.
So, in art, you have something called composition.
Sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception.
Trajectory that occurs.
We can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.